The Leipan 7 inches LCD Digital Microscope offers a noticeably larger and clearer viewing area than typical handheld models, making fine details easier to study for longer sessions. Its continuous magnification range from 10 times to 1,200 times, paired with a 12 megapixel sensor, delivers sharp close-ups that are very effective for coins, stamps, circuit boards, and small components. The rotatable display helps reduce neck and eye strain by letting you tilt the screen to a comfortable angle instead of hunching over the desk. A ring of adjustable LED lights combined with two flexible side lights does a good job of eliminating shadows, so reflective items like coins remain evenly lit and readable. The included memory card and photo or video capture controls, including a wired remote, make it easy to document your observations without jostling the microscope and blurring the image. Being able to attach it directly to a Windows or Mac computer for a larger live view and simple file transfer adds a lot of flexibility for sharing images or doing more detailed analysis.